Hi, my name is Tim. In this video we will look at inserting a watermark into a Zoho Writer document. A watermark is a way to identify ownership and authenticity of a document. Zoho Writer allows you to insert a text watermark or a picture one. This video will cover the following: accessing the watermark feature, inserting a text watermark, inserting a picture watermark, opening a document with a watermark in MS Word or LibreOffice, sharing with collaborators. You can watch this video from beginning to end, or you can click on one of the links to my right to go to that section of the video. This is the case if you are watching this video in a web browser on a computer. If you're watching on an app in a smartphone or a tablet, you do not have this option. There will be a link throughout this video to return you to this point in the video where you can choose from another item from the list. To access the watermark pane, click the three bars on the top left of the browser window. Click on the Page Layout tab. Click on the Watermark button under Watermark. This opens the watermark pane. Now let's look at setting text as a watermark. To use text as a watermark, make sure that the As Text Radio button is selected. To do so, click it. Next, type in the word or words you want to use as a watermark in the text box. Then select the desired font, font size, and font color. Click the arrows next to different drop-down menus and make the desired selection. There are 14 choices in the first drop-down menu for the font. There's also a button to add fonts. In the second drop-down menu, there are 13 choices. You can also click on the number in the box and type in the desired font if the size you want is not in the list. The third drop-down menu opens a color palette. This allows you to click on one of the 70 boxes, or you can also click on the More Colors link to open an advanced color palette. Under Place, click the diagonal or horizontal radio buttons. Diagonal angles the word so it reads bottom left to top right. Horizontal reads left to right. Click the Apply button to place the text in the document. Click the Remove button to take it out of the document. The Cancel button simply closes the watermark pane. Clicking the As Picture Radio button allows you to insert an image from your computer's hard drive. Click the Image button and select the desired image. There are two sliders you can adjust. However, you probably want to click the apply button to insert the image in the document first. Let's go ahead and do that. The scale slider ranges from 0% to 100%. 100% is the original size. Washout fades the image. It ranges from 0% to 100%. 0% makes the image invisible. For both scale and washout, you also can type in the percentage numbers. You will need to click the apply button after each adjustment to the scale and washout sliders to see how the image is affected. Click the remove button to take the image out of the document. The cancel button simply closes the pane. Many times, Zoho users share documents in the docx format through email or another means because many of their colleagues use MS Word or an open source text editor. In this section of the video, we will look at how the Watermark text document and the Watermark image document look in both MS Word and LibreOffice. The watermarks will be preserved when the documents are opened in both applications. But first, let's look at how to download a document. First, click the File menu, then go down to the Download as submenu, and then click on the MS Word document. Different browsers have different ways of handling downloads. I have downloaded the document the text watermark was inserted in and the one the picture watermark was inserted in. Here's the text version in Microsoft Word. Notice the watermark text shows up much darker than it does in Zoho Writer. Here's the text version in LibreOffice. In LibreOffice, it is even darker than it is in Word, even to the point where it covers up some of the text. If you're going to share the document in a docx format, your best bet is to use a gray color or another light color. When setting it up, when inserting the watermark in Zoho Writer. Here's the image watermark document in Word. The image may appear a little smaller and a little more faded out than it is in Zoho Writer. Here's the image watermark document in LibreOffice. Like in Word, the watermark is very washed out, more so than it would appear to be in Zoho Writer. Your best bet is to set the the image washout in Zoho Writer to about 50, somewhere between 50 and 70% for it to show up clearly in Word and LibreOffice. When you share a document with collaborators, the watermark will pretty much look the same from browser to browser. However, collaborators who you give read and write and co-owner privileges to will be able to edit the watermark. I have shared the image watermark document with my other account, and as you can see, I can make changes to the watermark. My suggestion is to only give read, write, and co-owner privileges to those who you would be okay with changing the watermark. Otherwise, use a different privilege level. This video has been about the watermark feature in Zoho Writer. Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe to OS College channel box and check out my other videos on YouTube.